Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can fix when the Wi-Fi icon is missing in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that, the first thing we need to do is to use the Windows troubleshooter. So just make a right click on the Windows icon and then select the settings option from here. Or you can just search for settings in this Windows search bar. And then in the settings app, you can now search for troubleshoot, or you can just go to the system option. Now here we need to look for troubleshoot option, and then once found, please make a click on that and then select the additional troubleshooters or other troubleshooters. Now here we need to find and select the network adapter or network and internet. It could be under most frequent section or other section. Now, once you have already found it, all you need to do is just to run the troubleshooter, and the troubleshooter will automatically check for network related problems and fix them. So after applying the fixes, you need to restart your system and check if the Wi-Fi icon appears. So once you're done with this one, just close this window. And then the next thing is to check if the Wi-Fi adapter is enabled. So we will go again with the settings option, or you could just simply type here in the Windows search tab control, and then you will get under best match the control panel option. So once you click on this one, we will be seeing all these sorts of options. So if you're seeing this kind of window, we need to go to this view by options and select the category one. Now we need to proceed with network and internet. And here we will be given two options, the network and sharing center and internet option. So please proceed with network and sharing center. So once you have already clicked on this one, we need to go with this change adapter settings here in the left pane. And then we will be seeing now the network connection that we are connected with. All you need to do is just to right click on the adapter that you are using, and you will know that it is disabled if you're seeing that it is grayed out. Now, all you need to do to enable it, just make a right click and then select this enable button. So if you're seeing a enable button, just please make a click on that. So since my Wi-Fi adapter is already enabled, that's why I am seeing the disabled option. So please click on the enable option, and if it is already enabled, try disabling it again, and then we need to re-enable it again. So this can reset the network connection and help restore the Wi-Fi icon. So let's just wait for the enabling process to be done, and then let's proceed with the next step, which is to reset the network settings. So once it is already enabled, all you need to do is just to go to the settings again and make a right click on that Windows icon, proceed with settings. So here we need to go to network and internet in the left pane, and then once you click on that, you need to scroll down and look for advanced network settings, and there we will find the network reset option. So just click on advanced network settings, and here in the more settings section, we will be getting this network reset option where we can reset all network adapters to factory settings. Now once you click on this reset now button, this will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall uh, other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So after resetting this, just make a quick restart with your device, and after following these steps, the Wi-Fi icon should be restored in your system. So that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye!